half yentintum MTN FA CUP against quarter final matches out between some people Ash Good 4 Kintampo Top Talents 2 now for Elimina Shark 0 House of Folk 1 Kumasi Asante Kotoko 0 Bekum Chelsea 0 but over the penalty at in time so a separate the chap from the Greens Western and Shanisi kwa ekwaye 4-5 Emma Kotoko elusu on penalty Bekum Chelsea ekukonanim MTN FA CUP against 22 Jenim Medeama Sporting Club and Atram Divisi and so 3-2 Sakins Kesi 22 Jenim na Bonia Koma Hwesana Nema Asia Koso all the various pitches are they are against in the team 10 times soon.
Predictions wrong.
Konaki comes on and that's the first goal. No problems at all for Ash Gold finding the net at this stage. Carefully planned from the corner kick.
His feet with 3-4 players of Asante Gold players in the 80-yard box of Kintampo, but he couldn't control well.
Well, this man seems to have controlled very well. Set on target, and that's a lovely second goal by Ash Gold. Picking the ball in midfield, firm control, picked his spot.
Samed Ibrahim, the former Niwe Dubiase defender, through injury.
Oh, confusion galore, and he fetches a goal back for Top Talents. Kwajo Amwako thought he was doing the safest thing of heading back to his goalkeeper. Odami Ampoma, Ajete Lee, Samir J, Stephen Beidu. And it's an opportunity for goal number 2. Mumin goes down first time of asking, but lost it completely. And the way that second goal was scored, it was as if they were not taking any prisoners. Banahene is also there. Lifted up there. Oh, that was sweet. That was sweet.
Good goal from Amos.
And it's Amos.
He got himself up and was ready for this encounter. Oh, it's a goal.
It's Caleb Amankwa. Beautiful goal. Magnificent. Stupendous. This is simply fantastic. Caleb Amankwa scores the opener for the Phobians. A magnificent square run from Fatao, the captain, followed by Radio Fuka. Then the execution, perfect, really perfect. But question marks about goalkeeping here. The wall broke. The ball went right over the wall. The wall didn't jump. But I think the goalkeeper with it. That is to take nothing away from the execution. That was perfect. But the goalkeeper really should be getting this onto this one because it's right down the middle. It should be parrying it over the top of the bar. But that is the goal that gives the Phobians the lead. This is the hallmark of true champions. Nieje for Bissiu. Good control. Bissiu goes down. Free kick for Omina Shak. It is Bissiu. It is Bissiu. Bissiu! It goes out. It's a goal kick. Yeah, that was close. He's trying to nestle it into the area where, but I think he caught a pitch. Yeah, he caught the pitch before the ball left his foot. So he doesn't quite clearly make the ball. On course for the double. The beaten Elmina Shaks.
Referee Ben K. Sefa has brought proceedings to an end here at the Len Clay Stadium. Scores at the end of extra time is Asante Kotoko 0, Bekum Chelsea 0. Crystal ball doesn't lie. Penalty shootout.
First penalty for Kotoko. Asma. It's a goal. Neatly done. Asma. Expertly done. No chance for goalkeeper Sabia J. Anochibedu! Great penalty. One side and putting the ball the other side. Aduako! Nearly missed from the spot, but we see there was no power. Collins Amayao. Collins! Oh, neatly done. Again, Collins Amayao. Look at it. Beautiful technique. And Gama! Oh, neatly done. Well taken. Oh, beautifully done. Azu, oh, expertly converted. Beautiful penalty. Wahab Adams. Wahab! He's missed it. And look at the face of Joseph Smith. Safo! Oh, neatly done again. Expertly converted. Just look at the replay. Expertly done. Confidently done. Keyeke! Oh. Greatly done. Look at Keyeke. Confidently done. Stephen Amankona! It's a goal! It has ended! It's over! Chelsea have eliminated the defending champions Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And there's jubilation galore here. The defending champions, and you will see Nana Odro Safo in all white, jubilating and celebrating. And Amankona will write his name in golden colors. Yes, I am the man, he says. Confidently taking. Oh, again, sending Razak Kabalora the wrong way. And look at the dejected faces of the Kumasi Asante Kotoko players.
And the way any I can see it, a quarter final matches of the MTN FA CUP. What Professor Jude Champ on the commentator on the blocker or the live commentary to Samba. But Chelsea. Omayi Kotoko for defending champions na fi major omkwan kra so omgo fie ampani ampa Kotoko akudu fie omo hwanim se nyame adoma nyaka wachi ene do so